Have you ever wondered if a simple natural oil could really help your eyes see better, calm down tired or irritated eyes, or even guard against common age-related eye troubles? Picture waking up in the morning and instead of squeezing your eyes against bright light, your eyes feel refreshed, clearer, and more comfortable. It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? But here's something worth thinking about. An everyday item like castor oil might offer real benefits for your eyes, or, if used the wrong way, it could create serious issues. Every night, lots of older adults are putting different remedies on or near their eyes without fully understanding what the science says. Could castor oil be a helpful secret for better eye comfort? Or could it quietly become a problem for your vision? In this message, you'll find out exactly how castor oil works with your eyes and why the right timing makes a big difference. You'll learn 3 surprising ways it might help that many people miss. The most common mistakes older adults make that can harm their eyes over time, and an easy step-by-step guide so you can use it safely, or decide to skip it completely if it's not right for you. I'm Dr. Samuel Cross. For more than 20 years, I've worked in eye health and natural wellness, helping people over 55 keep their vision clear and their eyes comfortable without always relying on strong medicines. I understand how frustrating it is to deal with dry, scratchy eyes, constant irritation, and the worry that comes with age-related eye changes. I also know which natural options truly make a difference and which ones are mostly talk. By the time you finish reading this, you'll have a straightforward, practical plan. No confusion, so you can decide tonight what's best for your eyes, instead of waiting weeks or months to figure it out. So, if you've ever thought about trying castor oil around your eyes, or if you just want to take simple steps to protect your vision as you get older, keep reading. You've probably seen castor oil mentioned a lot in natural eye care tips. That's not by accident. Castor oil is a thick, golden liquid pressed from the seeds of the castor plant. For hundreds of years, people have used it for skin, hair, and even eye comfort. Older adults especially like it because it's natural, inexpensive, and simple to use. So what makes it interesting for eyes? The main active part is ricinoleic acid, a special fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory and moisturizing qualities. In simple terms, it can add lubrication to dry eyes and calm down mild irritation, which becomes more common as we age. Research shows this fatty acid can soak into skin and the moist surfaces around the eyes, bringing extra hydration and easing light swelling. That's why some people say their eyes feel less itchy or gritty after using a tiny amount carefully at night. Imagine you've had a long day in dry indoor air, under bright lights, or staring at screens. Your eyes feel rough, tired, maybe a bit red. Putting just a drop or two of castor oil around your eyes before sleep can create a gentle, protective coating that locks in moisture all night long. Always choose cold-pressed, pure, pharmaceutical-grade castor oil, and never use more than 1 or 2 small drops near each eye. A little really is enough. Your eyes are delicate, not something to soak. Dry eyes are more than just annoying. They can disturb your sleep, make vision blurry, and even raise the chance of minor infections. When used gently, castor oil may encourage your natural tear glands to work better, so your eyes hold on to moisture longer during the day. This is especially useful for older adults dealing with age-related dryness, sometimes called xerophthalmia. Studies in eye health journals have found that similar natural oils can help steady the tear film, the thin protective layer on your eye surface, so tears don't evaporate as fast, keeping eyes more comfortable for hours. Take Mary, who is 68. She used to wake up every morning with scratchy, uncomfortable eyes. After trying a careful nightly routine with a tiny amount of castor oil for a few weeks, she noticed her eyes didn't feel as rough, and she could enjoy evening reading again without constant blinking. To do this safely yourself, use 1 small drop near each eye at bedtime. Gently close your eyes and don't rub them. This easy habit can naturally improve moisture while you rest. Some people hope castor oil can stop serious problems like cataracts or glaucoma. While it's not a cure for those conditions, its ability to reduce mild inflammation and keep eyes hydrated may help lower everyday irritation and stress that can make age-related eye changes worse over time. Ongoing low-level inflammation around the eyes can speed up lens clouding or add to dryness issues. By keeping the eye surface moist and calming slight swelling, castor oil might give your eyes a little extra support for the long run. John, 72, had eyes that were always itchy, especially after working outside. Using castor oil carefully every night didn't stop cataracts from forming, but it cut down on redness and discomfort, so his eyes simply felt healthier day to day. Remember, castor oil helps with comfort and support, not with curing disease. Think of it as one piece of a bigger plan, along with good hydration, eye rest, proper lighting, and healthy eating. Not everything natural is automatically safe, especially when it comes to sensitive eyes. Using castor oil the wrong way can cause temporary blurry vision if you use too much. Possible allergic reactions, though rare, or even infections if the dropper or bottle isn't perfectly clean. Thick oils can trap germs if tools are dirty, and too much product can blur your sight for a while, which isn't safe if you need to get up at night. Susan, 70, decided more was better and used almost a teaspoon per eye. She woke up with vision so blurry she couldn't see her clock clearly. A much smaller, controlled amount would have avoided all of that worry. Always use a fresh, clean dropper, a very small dose, and only pharmaceutical-grade oil. Less is safer and works just as well. There are also some common myths about castor oil and eyes that need clearing up. One big one is that it can reverse or dissolve cataracts. That's not true. Cataracts are physical changes inside the lens of the eye, and no topical oil can undo them. What castor oil can do is reduce daily irritation and keep eyes better hydrated, which supports overall comfort. Another myth is that natural always means completely harmless. Even safe natural things can irritate eyes if they're dirty, old, or used too heavily. And finally, some believe it works right away like magic. Real benefits, better moisture and less irritation, build slowly with regular, gentle use over days or weeks. Patience makes the difference. Here's the safe, simple way to try castor oil at night. Wash your hands very well with soap. Use a clean dropper to place just one small drop near the inner corner of each closed eye. Don't touch the eye directly with the dropper tip. Gently close your eyes for 1 to 2 minutes so the oil spreads naturally. If any extra oil runs onto your skin, gently dab it away with a soft tissue. Always recap the bottle tightly to keep it clean. Do this every night as part of your regular bedtime routine. Avoid rubbing your eyes afterward. That can push oil in the wrong place or irritate the surface. Small, steady care like this often brings the biggest improvements over time. Your eyes are how you see the world. Sunsets, books, faces of people you love, and everyday independence. Keeping them comfortable and clear isn't just about seeing better. It's about enjoying life fully as you age. Using castor oil the right way isn't a cure-all, but it can be one gentle, low-cost step to support your eye comfort. Many older adults don't realize how much daily stress affects their eyes. Air conditioning, heating, bright sun, dust, pollen, all of these dry eyes out faster with age. Castor oil can act like a light shield at night, helping hold moisture in while your eyes rest. Helen, 69, lives in a dry area, and her eyes were red and itchy every evening. She started using one tiny drop of castor oil before bed. Within a few days, her morning eyes felt calmer and less irritated. She could enjoy her early walks again without discomfort. Small changes like this build up. Consistency beats quantity every time. One small drop every single night is far better and safer than a large amount once or twice a week. Your eyes respond best to gentle, regular care. The science is straightforward. Your eyes have a natural tear film with 3 layers: water, mucus, and oil. As we age, the oil layer gets thinner, so tears evaporate too fast. A drop of castor oil helps replace and support that missing oil layer, slowing tear loss so eyes stay comfortable longer overnight. Some older adults also notice benefits for eyelid health. Conditions like blepharitis, inflamed eyelids with flaking or itching, are common after 60. A tiny nightly drop of castor oil, gently massaged along the lash line with clean fingertips, can help soothe and keep the area cleaner without harsh chemicals. Barbara, 70, had itchy, flaky eyelids every morning. She added a nightly drop plus light massage. In about 10 days, the irritation eased, and she woke up feeling more comfortable. Temperature of the oil matters too. Keep it at room temperature. Too cold feels uncomfortable. Too warm might irritate. Room temperature oil absorbs more gently. Castor oil works best when paired with good habits. Eating foods high in omega-3s like fish or walnuts, vitamin A, carrots, sweet potatoes, and antioxidants, berries, greens, supports eyes from the inside. Drinking plenty of water and taking short breaks from screens or reading also helps. Make the routine easy. After brushing your teeth or washing your face, take 1 minute for your eyes. Over time, it becomes automatic, like any good habit. Temporary blurry vision worries many people. That's normal if a little too much oil gets in. Just use less next time. 1 drop per eye. Eyes closed for a minute or 2 usually clears quickly. Never rub. Some use castor oil hoping for longer lashes. It mainly moisturizes the lash line and reduces irritation. Don't expect dramatic growth. Try this tonight. 1 drop per eye. Close gently. Notice how they feel tomorrow morning. Keep a quick note each day for a week. How dry, how comfortable, how clear. You'll have your own proof whether it helps you. Small actions matter most. One drop nightly seems tiny, but done consistently, it adds up to steadier tear film, less morning grittiness, and more comfortable eyes overall. Your eyes deserve care. Clear, comfortable vision means more enjoyment, reading, hobbies, time with family. This simple step empowers you to support your eyes tonight. If you want more natural ways to help your health, consider subscribing to my other channel for plant-based tips that can make a real difference. I'm Dr. Samuel Cross. Your eyes are worth protecting. Take one small step tonight. You might be surprised how much better they feel tomorrow.